Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you, I think that's a really good money grinder. The upgo there as I'm home. Yeah, don't ask why I'm playing this, cause look my name. Just don't worry about it, it's fun. Oh, 12. I was just looking at 999. Anyways, it's one of the best gold grinders in the game I've actually found, I think. So for this, you're gonna need the minigun and all the bullets used. As you can see, it won't shoot. Then hopefully you have this. Oh yeah, the reason why you should use all the bullets is that you have a lot of money, and then you just go ahead and just look at how many bullets I have, and then I switch to the grab hand so you don't use them straight away. It's a bit annoying. Okay, see, I have 12,500, I think that is. Yeah, I think it is that. But anyways, as you can see, I can get money very fast, and I'm gonna have a lot of money. And I'll show you that this works. Sorry for just stopping. Wait. What? Anyways, let's keep shooting. I won't pause and then skip to where I've finally done it, because I need to show you this actually works. As you can see, you can just shoot them. I'm just recording a video. Don't worry, it's just on my phone. No. I only saw Pepper Hug. I've unlocked a little minigun, by the way. Absolute gubby. Oh no, I stopped. Croissant bullets. I just want this to finally run out. Okay, I've unlocked the minigun, I want to use it. Oh yeah, by the way, I think this is aimbot. So everyone's definitely aimbot. Huh? You know what happened a Saturday, right? The thing that happens on a Saturday is a Grow Garden update and our 999 from the forest update. Down there. It's gotta be my snack. I still don't even have less than 5,000 bullets. I'm still at 6,000. I'm still out. But I can't even hear the ad. You want to hear the ad? We know that. Finally, the minigun has stopped.